Welcome back to the part 2 of this cable knit head tutorial. If you haven't seen the first part, I'll recommend you starting there. It would be linked down below in the description. In this video, we'll finish the head by working the decreases and shaping the crown, while keeping the cable pattern clean and even. Let's get started. Start the decreases. Here my round 8, and I'm about to do my decreases. As we did before, I take my 3 stitches on the knitting cable needle, and now what I want to do, I want to knit first 2 stitches together. Just simply insert your needle through 2 of the stitches like this. Grab your yarn, knit. Alright, and knit 1 more. So we have 2 stitches now instead of 3. And we will do the same here as well. So I insert needle through first 2 stitches, 1, 2, knit them, and knit this one as well. So now we have total 4 stitches, and as we did before, we take 3 stitches in front. Now we decrease 2 stitches here, knit 1 more. Make sure you're not going to the next cable. You see here is a clear separation between 2 of them. So now we have 2, and we do the same. We decrease these first 2, just simply knit them together, insert your needle through 2 of them, and just knit as normally, and knit the last one. All right, now we decreased this first cable, and we basically repeat the same here. You already know how to knit your cables. I'm not going to show you more. I just want to tell you that make sure that you're not going to the next cable and just decrease. Simply knit 1 stitch out of the 2 first, and in every 3 stitches, like in every separation for the cable, you just decrease. Yeah, I'll meet you guys when I finish this round. I knitted the round with cables forming and decreases. Now I'll knit this round, just a regular knit stitch as we normally did, and I'll knit 7 more rounds of stockinette stitch as we did before, and we will do last set of decreases in the next cables. I knitted 7 more rounds and I won't need it anymore. I'll just place my marker here so I won't lose it during my cable forming, and also I still want to know where is the beginning of the round. Now I take 2 stitches on the cable needle behind the work, and here we have basically 2 stitches set left. We want to do the decreases as well, so we knit these 2 stitches together, then knit 2 stitches together from the cable needle. Make sure not to lose your stitches. It's very easy when you're doing such a intricate work. So just simply knit 2 stitches together from your cable needle. Good. Then we're taking 2 stitches in front of work, and these 2 we also knit together, doing now quite drastic decreases. Okay, and also 2 together from the cable needle. Good. And make sure that you're knitting correct cable, that you see the very much easy to spot when one ends and the other starts. See, they're very visibly separated. Make sure that you're not grabbing stitches from this one, otherwise it won't be nicely formed. And repeat the same with the rest of your cables as established. Take 2 stitches from the cable needle, knit 2 together, knit 2 together from the cable needle, and so on. So basically we're doing this round for all the cables like this, decreasing them drastically. And when you're done, I'll be waiting you guys for next step. If sometimes it feels difficult to do decreases, and it's also possible to do decrease like this. First stitch slip, then you knit second one, and you slip the first stitch through the second. Let me show you one more time. So first stitch slip, then you knit one and slip the first stitch through the second. Because sometimes it could be quite narrow here, so it's good to know that you have an option to do decrease like this as well. That's what I have on my needles, and next round we'll decrease, we need 2 together, all the stitches. So if you see 2, just knit them together like this. It might be a little bit tight, but doable, and you can use that trick I showed you earlier. Just slip one and knit another one and slip first stitch back. It's just put our stitches in different direction, but it's okay because we're basically closing up and it won't be visible because everything will be gathered inside. So if you struggle to knit 2 together at this point, you can use that, and I'll wait for you in the next round. That's what I have left on my needles, and now I'll just cut approximately twice the length of the crown. Cut my yarn, Take my yarn on the tapestry needle, and now we are transferring all the stitches from one needle on the tapestry needle. Pull it through, turn your beanie and pull the needle. Yarn from this side. Pull the yarn tighten. Now we need to tighten knot. I will just take my yarn through the stitches a little bit more and pull it, then go in the other direction. Just make sure that there is no gap left. And then take the needle inside and weave in tails from here. That's it, your cable knit hat is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel confident trying cable knitting. If you'd like to keep knitting with me, watch the next video for another easy beginner-friendly project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.